Hello everyone. Hello. My name is V. Welcome back. It's been a while. I haven't read any of my aromatherapy essential oils to you. So today I am going to read lime essential oil. Lime essential oil. Fruity and refreshing. Limes have been a kitchen staple for centuries. It is believed that limes were first introduced to the Americas by 16th century Portuguese navigators. Okay. The lime soon became a favorite fruit both for its therapeutic value and taste. Traditionally, lime has been used as a remedy for indigestion, heartburn, and nausea. It also has cooling effects on fevers and can help ease coughs and various respiratory disorders. Lime oil is also useful as part of a beauty regimen, as its astringent properties help clear oily skin and acne. Plus, because lime oil also promotes good circulation, it is often used to help relieve varicose veins. Last but not least, lime has a wonderfully uplifting scent with the power to uplift and re-energize the spirit. Lime is good. Therapeutic uses for lime: acne, arthritis, cellulite, chest congestion, colds, coughs, cuts, deodorant, depression, disinfectant, exhaustion, fevers, general cleaning, immune system tonic, listlessness. Okay. Nail growth, rheumatism, sinusitis, sore throats, varicose veins, and wounds. That's the therapeutic uses. Still looking at listlessness. I have no clue what that is. Anyways, we will continue. Essential oil application for acne. Mix 2 to 3 drops of oil in 1 ounce of water. Mix well, then place a cotton ball on a cotton ball. Gently apply to affected area. Can also be used as a toner for oily skin. For arthritis and rheumatism, use 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage on affected area. For bleeding, cuts, and wounds, use 2 to 3 drops of oil in a cold compress. For cellulite, mix 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage on affected area regularly. For chest congestion, colds, coughs, sinusitis, and sore throats, use 2 to 3 drops in a steam inhalation. Can also be added to a carrier oil and rub on chest and neck. To alleviate depression, exhaustion, and listlessness, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. Can use 8 to 10 drops in bath water. Lime is good. Remember, I am reading these for you. I am not a doctor. Do what best suits you. If it works for you, that's you. If it doesn't, that's you. I am not a doctor. I am just telling you the therapeutic uses of lime. As a deodorant, mix 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of water. Dab on with a cotton ball. For extra deodorant protection in bath, put unscented shower gel in palm of hand. Mix a drop or two of oil and shower as normal. As a disinfectant, add 5 to 6 drops in a quart-size spray bottle of water. Shake well before using. Refresh weekly. To cool fever, use 2 to 3 drops in a cold compress. After an illness, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser or steam inhalation as a tonic for the immune system. Continue use for 2 to 3 days. To promote nail growth, mix 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of almond oil and massage into cuticles. I gotta try that one. While cleaning refrigerator, freezer or oven, add 2 to 3 drops in rinsed water to wipe away greasy residue for extra freshness. For varicose veins, mix 2 to 3 drops in a carrier oil and massage on affected area. Lime essential oil mixes well with basil, bergamot, citronella, clary sage, eucalyptus, geranium, ginger, grapefruit, hyssop, jasmine, juniper, lavender, neroli, N-E-R-O-L-I, neroli, I think, nutmeg, rosemary, rosewood, sage, sandalwood, tangerine, and ylang ylang. Lime essential oil is a cold expression or steam distillation. They use the peel and unripe fruit for cold compression, whole ripe crushed fruit steam distillation. That's how they extract them. Safety information may cause photosensitivity in strong sunlight. Use in moderation. May cause, we say that again, safety information may cause photosensitivity in strong sunlight. Use in moderation. Fun fact about lime. In the 17th century, English sailors ate lime to prevent scurvy, a disease caused by a deficiency of vitamin C. Soon afterward, the English were dubbed limeys, a colorful nickname which has survived throughout all these years. That's the fun fact on lime. And today I read to you the essential oil lime. Hope this was helpful. Hope you get something out of this reading. Again, I am not a doctor. I'm not a nurse. Be careful how you use things. Always test things a little bit on your hand first to see before you just dive in. Be careful. Be safe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. If you're looking for this eye look, it is now on YouTube. Again, I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.